Hi guys, welcome back. This is Maths 3000. So today I'm going to show you the formula for working out the nth term of a arithmetic sequence. So an arithmetic sequence is a sequence which increases by the same amount each time from term to term, or it could be going down by the same amount each time. So the formula that we need to use is in this bubble here. So the nth term is equal to a, which is the first term, plus n minus 1 in a bracket times the common difference. The common difference is what the sequence is increasing or decreasing by from term to term. So let's have a look at the three examples that we have here. So the first one, we're going to find the nth term of this sequence. So it goes 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. So first of all, I'm just going to write down the values of a and d, because those are the two numbers that we need for our formula. So the first term of our sequence is 5. That's nice and easy. So we then need the common difference. So that is what the sequence is going up in. So if we just work out the difference between the first two terms, 8 take away 5 is 3. So these are the two numbers that we need to put into the formula over here. So it'll be 5 plus n minus 1 times d. So you could leave your answer like that, but it's probably nice to simplify it. So I'm just going to times the bracket by 3, so that would be 3n minus 3. And then if we simplify the terms, 5 take away 5 minus 3 is 2, so our final answer will be 3n plus 2. So let's look at the second example then. So again, we're going to use the formula up here to find the nth term. So our first term is 1, so a is equal to 1. Our common difference then is what the sequence is going up in. So if we just find the difference between the first two terms, which is 6. Okay, so again, let's just put the numbers into our formula. So the first term is 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference of 6. So again, we can times out the bracket and simplify. So 6 times n is 6n, 6 times minus 6 is minus 6. Okay, so again we just simplify the numbers. So 1 take away 6 is minus 5, so we end up with 6n minus 5. So let's do one final example then. So this one is a decreasing sequence. Okay, so we've got minus 3, minus 5, minus 7, minus 11, minus 13. So our first term is minus 3. So our common difference is what the sequence is going down in. Okay, so again we can work out the difference between the first two terms. You probably find it easier just looking at the sequence though, because you can see it's going down in twos. So minus 5 take away minus 3, that'll give you minus 2. So your common difference is minus 2. So put these two numbers into our formula at the top there. So the first term is minus 3. And then we've got n minus 1 times the common difference. So again, let's simplify it. So multiplying out the bracket, we get minus 2n plus 2. So just be careful multiplying that out. And if we simplify it, we get minus 2n minus 1. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.